What's up, y'all? I think it is day 3, maybe. Day 3. And we're trying to take a shortcut to go join her husband at this cute little quaint place called Dock House, y'all. So we got our pink and red on. I done freed up some space on this camera, so I'm in your face a little bit more. But let's see if we can find our way around here. And of course they're gonna be playing music, so we ain't gonna be able to talk to y'all like we normally do. But let's figure it out. Because the creepy shit you got going over there. So we gotta go up to floor 7. Going up, anyone? Let's figure this out. Ooh. Let's say a little prayer for you. All right, let's look at this thing. It says, that's where we're going. So I think we got to bend this corner and walk all the way to the back, y'all.
I can copy this to you.
Good impression. Alright, I think we gotta walk maybe all the way to the back. And we'll find it. Going, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna be surprised husband found his way. This is it. I think we found it. Ooh. Let's see, y'all. They have these nice little cute nooks. These little grab and goes. So you have veggie wrap, ooh, charcuterie and cheese, smoked turkey breast, roasted chicken salad. Normally Caesar salads, what they have, and you just pick them up and go wherever you want to, end up eating those at. What's up, guys and girls? So we're getting ready to head to Test Kitchen. We have a reservation, I think, at 9:30, and it's currently 9:20. So we're getting ready to walk out our room. Here's my fit, cute green leotard. My light went off. I don't know why. Let's see. Child, stop doing the most. Kurt Gegler, there go again. Some of your print. Some nice sandals. Ready? Let's go. I got my band back on. I took this thing off because it was irritating me. What you need? You might as well grab it before we
go?
Yeah, you come back down and get it?
You going to the casino after we eat?
Maybe. Boy, Americana. guys. Can you hear me? So we made it to test kitchen, and it is a 6-course. Let me show y'all. Y'all see that? So we'll be tasting those 6 different things. And also, husband got the drink pairing with it. I did a French 75. So I'll just bring y'all back when the food come out, because it is music playing in the background, but although it's instrumental, I don't know whether or not it's going to be copyright infringement, but I'm definitely sure we'll find out. Okay? Y'all got any questions? Okay, good. Down the drink.
Very clean plate, huh? Very clean plate. Very clean plate. Would you like to taste the lady?
This is strong on, you hear me? They got them lemon bitters in there. Let's take it. Yeah, put on the bread.
That would be
Lemon bitters.
infused toki, the soju. Korean rice wine?
Not bad. Do we have ginger?
Blood soda, tonic, and added flour.
Yeah.
Fresh strawberry, these guys are going to blow your mind. Me, I don't usually like fish, especially not salmon.
Yeah, me either.
Then, God man, I eat 5 of them easy.
Okay.
You cannot say I drink maybe I did.
Okay.
But I believe it's yours.
Thank you. Let's try it. You know, I don't really like salmon either. Dang.
Did you really know that?
Is it done?
No, you started making February 25th. Oh my goodness gracious.
This is good. Oh my God. This is good. Yes.
We knew the Turkish pistachio. Really? I didn't know what.
It's not bad.
I think the young man likes it.
Alright, let's see.
Ginger,
Okay.
special squeeze, yuzu juice, Japanese mandarin, and mostly juice. After you drink it, you take it.
Gotcha.
I don't know about this one. What you think?
This is absolutely disgusting.
too busy in the shop.
That's a no. They can take that as soon as they brought it. Not feeling it at all. No, guys. Alright, so now we can feel this ship moving. Ship moving and drinking. Not a good combination for myself. So we've had 3 courses: corn, salmon, and beetroot. Beetroot, thumbs down, okay? And I like beef, but I was not feeling it. Y'all see the dessert that I showed y'all? It's like 7 different steps just about into making this little cute dessert. Look at this. So we figured it out. They put the little beet gummy or whatever gummy it is down, the marshmallow, the graham crackers, the strawberries, the whipped cream, a little powder dusted little something on it. So about 6 steps. So 3 more courses to go. I'm trying the lamb chops. I don't really think I'm gonna eat the lamb chops, but the guest was telling us about the shrimp and how it's kind of made into pasta, and I saw the dish. It looked more like a soup, so it's a no-go for me. 3 of his drinks, and here's his 4th one, y'all. Well, martini.
My recommendation, what I would do, I would wait for the liquor. As I eat, I would drink. Why not? The aroma is amazing, the flavor is amazing. It's only on the outside.
Okay.
Smells good, delicious taste. It's going to make a little bit.
What's in it?
It's strong.
We're going to fill the ship with it.
Okay. Martini slam. You say it's so strong. I recommend I eat it.
It's a lamb.
Yeah.
He can tell me how it tastes when he eats it with his lamb. Lamb. Lamb chops. Huh?
You go John's and then have the shit to go on top of the refrigerator.
Let's try. But I'm not a huge lamb.
Not sheep as well.
I just think of the lamb.
I can relate.
really good.
This was good.
Really good.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Like a ginger gummy. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. He gonna get me. He gotta keep cleaning up my mess. Right, they don't freeze it. Crunchy ice. Ma'am, that's not part of the dessert.
Strawberry. It's made out of fresh strawberry, 3 pieces. Piece of strawberry marshmallow, strawberry jelly in the middle. Do you see the crumble?
Yes.
White chocolate coming from Belgium. Turkish pistachios, best ones in the world. And honey cinnamon to bind it. The cream is white, crazy good as it is. We have the white chocolate again. And wasabi. Bon appetit, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Ladies.
All right, we made it to the last course, y'all, and it's the one that I've been showing y'all the whole time while we've been sitting and dining at the bar. Take a look at it. It is so good. So let's taste it. Let's get a little bit of everything.
You changed that wasabi.
So the mousse got wasabi with it. When you thought it was whipped cream, so good. All right, we done. The dessert was Chef Kiss. Was really good. I think everything for me was really good except for the beetroot. No. It's like an acquired taste. The asparagus, I really thought it might have been some asparagus, but it was really transformed. Very nice and very different. So we're out, guys. Okay, you're fine. All right, so we are headed out.
All right, guys, thank you.
Thank you. Even though you have small bite size. Have a good night. Thank you. I am really full. You've been running through my mind all day. 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 Hey, you've been running, you've been running, you've been running, you've been running, you've been running through my mind all day. All right, y'all, we are moving, okay? Like I told y'all earlier, we're moving. The ship is moving. Let me see what time it is. I think it's almost 11. Well, my phone say 9:50. I don't know if it's 9:50 or 10:50 ship time. Whatever. I came back to the room so I can get me some eyes to put on y'all because, baby, I need some eyes so I can be able to see. I don't know how I didn't remember to bring those, but then we're getting ready to head back out and we're going to the casino. Did I tell y'all that I won $500 on slots major last night? So I am very skeptical about going back to the casino, but we are going to do it. So I just want to come back and tell y'all thank you for tuning in. Go ahead and hit a like and consider subscribing to this channel. cut your notifications on, okay? So y'all can know when I upload, so y'all can watch the video. And y'all already know, until we meet again, baby. What? Ciao.